How to share TikTok video on a Facebook story. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today, so without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the TikTok application on your device and make sure you are logged into your account, then tap on your profile. Now if you want to share the TikTok video on Facebook story, simply tap on the TikTok video. Now what you simply need to do is tap on the three dotted lines at the bottom right corner of the screen. Here you can see the options over here like Messenger, copy the link, WhatsApp, and so on. So if you drag it to the very end, here you can see there's no option to add it directly to a Facebook story. So what we can simply do is tap on the save photo or save video option. So as you do that, you can just tap on save and it starts saving. So what you can simply do is tap on Facebook, or you can just directly go to the Facebook application on your device and then tap on the create story option and then just put it all the video and photos over here. And that's how you can share the TikTok video on Facebook story. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.